Cancer part of the body ruled by cancer. Cancer rules the breasts and the stomach. This part of the anatomy has always symbolized nourishment and motherhood, and Cancer natives are characterized as protective and clinging. Cancer women often have beautiful bosoms, with soft creamy skin and a curving décolletage. Men of this sign have well-shaped chests and flat stomachs. All of this changes as Cancerians grow older, for they are susceptible to gaining weight in later years. They find it very difficult to lose excess weight. Tension, anxiety, and emotional stress are the leading causes of illness among Cancerians. They have delicate stomachs and digestive problems and are prone to ulcers, gallbladder upsets, gas pains, nausea, and gastritis. Their health is not robust, particularly in childhood, and many suffer from upper respiratory infections such as bronchitis. Born under a water sign, Cancerians will overindulge in wine and alcohol, which they do not tolerate well. Drinking alcohol aggravates their stomach problems, increases weight, and causes fluid retention in body tissues. The moon, Cancer's ruler, has dominion over the breasts and the alimentary canal, heightening the susceptibility of Cancerians in these areas. Diet and health tips for Cancer food mean security to Cancer people, and they turn to pies, cakes, ice cream, and candy to make themselves feel better when they are low in spirit. This is a self-accelerating spiral, for excess sweets make their stomachs worse. Cancerians need to watch their diets very carefully in order to keep their digestive systems healthy and their weight under control. Cancer's cell salt is calcium fluoride, which unites with albumin and oil in the body's system to keep elastic and connective tissues healthy. It is also an important ingredient in tooth enamel, fingernails, bones, and the lens of the eye. Deficiency of this mineral can cause varicose veins, receding gums, curvature of the spine, eye problems, and cataracts. Food sources for calcium fluoride are egg yolks, whole grain rye, yogurt, beets, watercress, fish, and oysters. Cancerians are prone to skin disorders when there is a lack of calcium in their diet. They should consume milk, cheese, kale, lettuce, and tomatoes, which are high in calcium. Okra, which also contains calcium, is an aid in reducing stomach inflammations. Fresh vegetables, fresh fruit, and lean protein are a daily must for the Cancerian. Starches, sugar, and salt should be avoided. The first two cause constipation, and salt produces bloat. Cancer people should stay away from spicy, highly seasoned food and should forego hot pepper sauce and horseradish. Cancerians should always have meals in pleasant surroundings, no bickering or heated discussions at the dinner table. Taking a walk after a meal aids digestion and serenity of mind. Walking in warm rain, under an umbrella, or by the seashore is excellent, for the moist air soothes the lungs. If Cancerians get sick, they recuperate faster in their own beds at home. Cancer's erogenous zone. Breasts are an erogenous zone for most people, but this is especially true for Cancerians. Both men and women born under this sign respond quickly to oral and manual manipulation of the nipples. Soft caresses, gentle bites, and kisses on this area heighten Cancer's sensuality. Run your hands over the hairs on Cancer man's chest, just barely touching them, and you will ignite his passions. A Cancer woman derives pleasure from having her breasts touched and kissed by a lover. To massage the breast and chest area erotically, begin by placing 2 fingers on Cancer's clavicle, the bone that juts out at the bottom of the neck. Using feather-light pressure, gently vibrate the flesh of each breast. Then stroke each nipple with the tip of 1 finger. Using your finger pad, gently stroke the pink area around the nipple, the areola. Finally, stroke each breast with your fingernails, just barely making contact with the flesh. This massage technique will create urgent sensations of sexual desire in any Cancer woman or man.